Hi everybody, welcome back to the GeForce Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to set the parental controls and lock some applications for your child in your Samsung smart monitor. At first we have to go to the left to the control panel and here scroll down to the settings. Now go to all settings and here scroll all the way down so that you can see general privacy. Scroll down here to the parental settings and here go to the app lock. Now, as you can see here, you have NVIDIA GeForce Now, Spotify, Samsung Promotion, Copilot, Internet, Bixby. We can lock, for example, the Switch TV, whatever that is, and here go down and click lock. Now we have to enter PIN to our monitor. And now our application is locked for our child. To unlock this application, just click unlock and enter your PIN code back again. Click done, and that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!